Pakilakas po yung volume.
Mr. Chair, may narinig yata ako, very faint yung audio. Pero tama po ba, may narinig ako na gusto niyo po bang magsuot ng robe niyo or what? Yun po yata yung, tapos mukha naman pong napakamalumanay ng boses. Pero para po, in the interest of time, Mr. Chair, sige po.
Po, ma'am. Good evening. Ayan. Pwede po tayo magbukas ng ilaw? Si ma'am po. Kailangan pa ni ma'am mag-robe or what? Ma'am, good evening po.
Yun, Mr. Chair. So, yun po, mukhang kita naman po to verify the manifestations of our Sergeant at Arms a while ago. Very kalmado, napakakalmado po nung sitwasyon. Nagtanong pa nga po si ma'am, baka po gusto niyong mag-robe. So, ibig sabihin po, iniisip pa po nung nag-deliver ng order yung sitwasyon ba, kung kailangan niya magtakip, kung nakapajamas nga po talaga siya, Mr. Chair. So, thank you, Comsec, for bringing that up. Mr. Chair, siguro po, nakita ko po dun sa isang video, parang yung pangalawa po yata, nung pumasok na sila sa loob, nandun po yata yung pag-surrender nung cellphone. Kasi naalala ko po, yun po yung isa sa mga naging issue ko, no? Dito po sa sitwasyon na yun, ninakaw daw. Forcibly taken yung kanilang mga cellphone. Kaya, Mr. Chair, if I may quickly request the COMSEC to please play that second video, yung pumasok po sa kwarto tapos tinurn over po yung cellphone.
Comsec.
Kung hindi naman po, Mr. Chair, kung matatagal... Ayan po, sige po.
May volume po yun.
Give or take perhaps a few minutes that they have to call their lawyer and eventually the lawyer to travel and enter the batasan. Even if he's, I think the time that he finally arrived at 10:25 is consistent with the timing. The lawyer, again, our video will bear us out that we allowed attorney Lito go at 12:25. I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman. Access to his client.
So, Mr. Chair, dalawa po yung naging abogado ni Yusek Lopez nung gabi na yon. Tama po ba?
That's correct, Mr. Chairman, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, just one last issue to cover before I end my questioning. Yung issue po ng medical access at saka yung ambulansya po. Kasi isa po sa mga sinasabi nila na parang naghihinalo na daw yung tao, nagsastruggle na, higit 2 oras daw pinaghintay ko, no? Bago po bigyan ng ambulansya, bago bigyan ng access sa doktor. So siguro, Mr. Chair, in the press conference, they kept on flashing